Have you ever wondered if the keto diet is actually safe for women? What works like magic for men can actually cause hormonal chaos for women if it's done wrong. According to top medical experts from the Mayo Clinic and Healthline, women's bodies are incredibly sensitive to diet changes. If you completely cut carbs and only eat processed meats and cheese, which is called dirty keto, you risk extreme fatigue and hair loss. But don't panic. The perfect solution is healthy keto. By focusing on nutrient-dense, whole foods, massive amounts of green veggies, and natural fats, you can balance your hormones safely. In fact, healthy keto is proven to be a fantastic tool for reducing stubborn belly fat and managing PCOS naturally. The biggest secret for the female body? It's a strategy called carb-cycling. This means eating slightly more healthy carbs, like sweet potatoes or berries, just before your menstrual cycle begins to support hormone production. Remember, you don't need to starve yourself. You just need a female-friendly approach to food. Want to know exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and the golden rules for women on keto? Head over to my blog, arshiaworld.com, right now to read the complete, expert-backed guide. The link is in my bio. Go read the full article today.